Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to register a KONAMI account in eFootball quickly and easily. First, open the eFootball game on your device. From the home screen, go to Extras. Click on Support. Tap on Link Data. Click on Link KONAMI ID. If you don't already have a KONAMI account, select Register. Fill in the required details. Enter your date of birth. Enter your email address. Create a strong password. Tap on Next. Scroll this page and tap on Agree. Now check your email inbox. KONAMI will send you a verification code. Enter code and tap Next. And that's it. Now you have successfully registered and linked your KONAMI account in eFootball.